Here we have the Range Rover Sport 3-litre diesel in Yulong White. You have a black contrasting roof, 22-inch alloys. This car also has the Stealth Pack, along with a powered tailgate. And going into the back of the vehicle, you have rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for children. And going into the front, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Sat nav. And a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. And you also have heated seats in the back. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 49,245 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was the Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.